This don't make no sense. What's up, y'all? So I don't know why I let my room get so dirty. When I say dirty, this don't make no sense. Look at this. But this may be a quick clean with me. I'm putting it in hyperlapse, so just clean up with me. And I'm trifling. Like, I'm real trifling. Like, why did I do this? Why did I let my room be like this? I be going so much to where took some liquid wood, y'all, right here, and I put some on the napkin, and I just cleaned. Like, even though I dusted them, I went ahead and wiped them off the little shine up there. So yeah, yes, I have 2 ceiling fans in my room. To get into it, we finna flick these bad boys out. Oh, y'all see the shine on that? Stop acting like you don't see this shine. Quit playing. I need to slow this one down. She going a little too fast. The last thing I really need to do is just wash this here, my pillows, throw this away, and put my clothes up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film me putting the clothes up here shit. I might get y'all a little clip of me folding the last ones, but that's about it. And vacuum, need to get my bathroom. I'm gonna get a little clips of that. Wipe my walls, and that's it. Like, I would never let my room get back that dirty. I would never let my ceiling fans get that dusty. I knew that was dusty because last night when I was asleep, I sleep with my mouth open. I woke up and my throat was closed, kind of sorta, and I knew that dust had to have something to do with it. So I said, you know what, today I'm cleaning up. But yeah, that's about it. So I'm finna finish cleaning up, and is this gonna be a clean with me video? If it's long enough, it's gonna be standalone. If it's not, I'm gonna make it a vlog. But yeah, stay tuned. That's basically what I'm doing today, cleaning up.
Baby, grind on me. Relax your mind, take your time on me. Let me get deeper, shorty, ride on me. Now come and text me till your body gets too weak. When slow grinding, baby, grind on me. Relax your mind, take your time on me. Let me get deeper, shorty, ride on me. Now come and text me till your body gets too weak. When slow, baby, grind on me.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. Don't let it go, let it go. Slip away. Oh, no. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, so child. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let the whoa. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you were true. So come close day.